This is Gibson. He's a 5-week-old southern sea otter deep in his morning routine at his new home.
How long has it been since his last feeding?
About 3.5 hours ago. So he got a feeding about 6:15 or so this morning, and this is his second breakfast.
I mean, who doesn't like a second breakfast?
Getting tender love and care in a special unit at the Georgia Aquarium, Gibson is learning how to be an otter.
He's dealing with a lot, but he's doing a remarkable job. He's acclimating really well.
Baby Gibson went through a harrowing ordeal in California where he was discovered stranded in a storm 15 days ago. His mother wailing nearby, conditions too dangerous to reunite them. He was rescued and flown to Atlanta on a private jet with Mara, another pup saved off the coast when she was found orphaned.
What are those noises?
Those are baby sea otter noises.
Mara, a month older than Gibson, is more of a toddler who prefers shellfish.
What's your favorite?
I think she's going to go for the shrimp or the scallops.
I'm a scallop guy myself.
Without their mothers in the wild, otter pups will die.
Nice grab.
At the aquarium, they need humans to step in to raise them. That means feeding.
I mean, this is really enjoyable. For me, too.
Grooming.
A mother sea otter would just spend hours and hours a day taking care of this fur, and they groom with their paws, they groom with their mouth.
And there's that bath time classic, towel tug of war. All right, you win.
So I will say the temptation is to just give him belly scratches and like wrestle with him, but that's probably not what you want.
Yeah, I know it's very tempting, but that's not going to help him.
Mara and Gibson have a lot to look forward to at the aquarium.
I'm playing fetch with 2 otters. This is the best day ever.
Brighton and Bixby are also rescues, about 8 years old. They'll mentor Mara and Gibson in the ways of otterhood when the youngsters are strong enough to leave their quarantine.
Whoa, you have 2 toys.
Once the new guys are ready, the aquarium's permanent otter habitat will be their forever home.
They'll be cared for the rest of their life.
Wow. Never thought too much about sea otter socialization before, but those humans are doing a pretty good job.
They sure are cute.
Absolutely. That was Will Reeve reporting. For more on the story, check out Animal Planet's new series, The Aquarium, which premieres May 19th.